Russia becomes the first country to register a coronavirus vaccine, but testing reportedly incomplete. As Russia has become the first country in the world to register for a coronavirus vaccine for the use, Vladimir Putin, the country's president, announced one of his daughters has already been inoculated. This move comes despite many scientists in Russia and abroad questioning the decision to make the vaccine available for use before phase 3 trials, which normally last for 1 month and involves thousands of people. Speaking at the government meeting on Tuesday, Putin said that the vaccine has proven efficient during tests, offering a lasting immunity from the coronavirus. Putin said that his daughters had a temperature of 38 degrees Celsius on the day of the first vaccine injection, and then it dropped just to 37 degrees on the following day. After the second shot, she again had a slight increase in temperature. She is feeling well and has a high number of antibodies. Putin added he didn't specify which of his two daughters received the vaccine. The health ministry said in a statement on Tuesday that the vaccine is expected to provide immunity from the coronavirus for up to 2 years. Russian authorities have said that medical workers, teachers, and other risk groups will be the first to be inoculated. Deputy Prime Minister Tatiana Golikova said that the vaccination of doctors could start as early this month. Large-scale production of the vaccine will start in September, and mass vaccination may begin as early as October, officials said. Professor Alexander Ginsburg, head of the vaccine in Gamaleya Institute that developed the vaccine, raised eyebrows in May when he said that and other researchers tried the vaccine on themselves. Human studies started on June 17 among 176 volunteers. Half were injected with the vaccine in liquid form, another half with vaccine that came as soluble powder. Some of these with the first half were recruited from the military, which raised concerns that servicemen may have been pressured to participate. Amid Russia's rush to become the first to create a vaccine, the US, Canada, and Britain last month accused Russia of using hackers to steal vaccine research from Western labs. Despite not completing phase 3 trials, Putin insisted the vaccine has undergone the necessary test, and let's wait for the actual result.